All right, so we are getting my camera equipment and recording equipment ready for the day for today's video. All right, got my cameras, external mics, another external mic. Got my action camera mount. Okay, got an iPhone mount and SD cards right there, and all the little attachments I need to make this happen. And I got 2 tripods ready to go. All right, so anyways, let's go ahead and get this video going. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, today is the day. Yep, the day that I've been waiting for a long time, and I'm sure all you have too. And as you can see in my intro, I was getting all the cameras ready. Hopefully they'll cooperate today, because today we're going to go ahead and spray some primer. I got my booth all set up and kind of nervous actually. First time actual painting. Okay, all I've done is, I mean, I primered a couple of parts and stuff, but you know, that was no biggie. I'm pretty confident on primer. I mean, you can't really mess primer up, I guess, you know, but I'm also gonna, hopefully, if time permitting, be able to go ahead and spray some actual paint, you know, on the inside of the cabin and everything. So of course it's got to be a windy day today, so I had to tape down the sides so that they don't blow onto the body of the truck and everything. But anyhow, like I said, I'm a little nervous, but you know, like they say, it's just paint, and it's my very first time. If it happens, it happens. If it don't, we'll just redo it. So what I got to do now is, I got my paint and all that set out. I got to go ahead and wipe everything down with some isopropylene whatever alcohol. Got my microfiber rags ready. Wipe it down, run a tack rag over everything, and spray it. So hopefully it happens. Never know. You know, anything can happen. But you know, like I said, the day has come. I'm trying to keep from getting into it, but I know I have to. Like I said, I'm kind of nervous. So let's just do it. Have some fun. What happens, happens, right? Life goes on. Let's do this. Okay, so what we got going on now, let me get inside here real quick. It's getting nice and warm in here now. All right, so here's the truck again, of course. Got my cameras all set up. Okay. Now I gotta go ahead and start wiping things down, start taping, lay some plastic where I don't want primer on and everything, and we'll get to spraying. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taping things up, start covering up wirings and whatnots, bolt holes and stuff like that we don't want to get primer inside of, so that, you know, so that we don't have to fight it when we go to put the bolts back in. So anyways, we'll go ahead and put this camera down and we'll get to it. All right. Well, everybody, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's the best I could do. I can, since I'm the only one videotaping and doing the work, it's kind of hard to do both things at one time and hope that your cameras cooperate with you. But I was able to salvage something. And as you can see, I went ahead and I got the cab and the hood, the top of the cab primered. I went ahead and painted the inside with some Summit Pure White. And then I went ahead and I treated the floor, the firewall, and the back of the cab, just where the gas tank goes. You're not gonna see it. And so anyways, it was quite the challenge for my first time ever painting, you know, but I really enjoyed it. The first primer gun I used, that I've always used, like I did on my bed and tailgate and stuff, it decided to fail on me. So I went ahead and used a different gun, and it sprayed beautifully. And then the gun that I was using for my paint, it decided to fail me. So again, I switched a different gun, and it cooperated with me. So eventually, I went ahead and got it all done, you know, and it came out nice. It's not, like I said, professional showroom type stuff, but I'm happy with it. It's perfect for a daily driver, and that's all I need it for. I just wanted to clean it up, make it look nice. So now with all that done, I can go ahead and start putting in the soundproofing on the floor and maybe even the wires and fire it up. Or I could just skip that and start working on the doors, get the windows put on and all that, and go from there. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take a break now, go to bed, and I'll worry about that tomorrow. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the like, at least hit the like, if you know, that would help. But anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys, all my subscribers and everybody who comments on my stuff. Like I said, I'm just an old fart having a good old time, you know, just enjoying my retirement. That's all I'm doing. I'm not in it for the glory or anything like that. I'm just having a good time. So y'all have a good weekend and a good week coming up, and God bless.